Find or read reviews that people are talking about ZHULI, 18-inch, solar-powered outdoor gazebo ceiling fan with light. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Long-lasting battery-operated ceiling fan. Equipped 12,800 mAh lithium-ion phosphate battery, it powers both the fan and light simultaneously for 4.5 to 12 hours. The fan alone lasts 6 to 18 hours, and the light alone 20 to 30 hours. The battery supports up to 3,000 charge cycles. Adjustable color and brightness canopy fan. Use the remote to easily switch between cool and warm white light, 3000K to 6500K, on this outdoor solar fan light, creating the perfect mood for any outdoor space. Portable solar-powered outdoor fan. This cordless canopy fan is perfect for outdoor use. It's ideal for gazebos, patios, camping, hiking, barn, traveling, greenhouses, grow tent, garage, RVs, fishing, and beaches. High-quality motor quiet operation fan. The solar hanging fan light features a silent, energy-efficient pure copper brushless motor. With 3 wind speeds, low to high, controlled via remote or motor button, it meets most of your outdoor summer cooling needs. Easy installation. Designed for various outdoor scenarios, the camping wireless fan light is easy to install. The fan features a hook on top for hanging, which can be directly attached to a fixed hook or hanging rope. The 6 PC-made 4.3-inch blades can be directly inserted for immediate use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.